Hi, I'm going to be going over a couple of the key features that Book360 has to offer. It is a web-based booking system designed for travel agents and DMCs. So we'll start off at the top on the side here. We've got our dashboard. This is where all of our activity is kept. It shows I've logged in quite a lot. We can see what everybody's been working on. If there's any errors that have been recorded in the system, then they're kept track of so that the support guys can work on that. And this is a really nice way to just see what is everybody working on and just helps everybody to collaborate a little bit more. It's kind of like your Facebook timeline. Then we've got our TripBuilder. This is where we build all of our packages, all of our bookings from scratch. We do also have a package builder, which is down here at the bottom. So we could create a package from scratch and then we can use it in a booking. So if I wanted to go and create a new booking, or I can go and search for something that is already here. For instance, I've got my 7-day trip. Let's go and have a look at that. It shows the status. So it's currently just in a quote status. And then I can show that different colors show the different status types. So I've got RQ being requested. If I go and have a look here, there we go. My status is requested. So as we move through the various different types, it'll change colors. So if it was quote, I'm going to save changes. That's changed to white. For instance, if it is waitlisted, I'm going to save that. It changes to various different colors. Confirmed is then going to be green. And then I've got canceled and all of those. So this is where we would go and change our status, add a reservation number, our pick up and drop off location. If there are any client remarks, we can see what the service is costing. And then we can also go and actually send an email directly from here. So this would then allow us to link up our mailbox. So I need to sign into my Outlook there. And then all of the relating emails that I send out from here using a template that's been loaded with our own company's branding. All of the emails are going to show up at the bottom here with a list of everything, and it uses the reference number when someone responds to actually show up in here. So it just limits all of those emails right down, so I can just see what I'm working on. I can create some notes just for myself over here. And if I want to go and actually edit the sequence of events, add or remove any services, I can go and edit in my TripBuilder. And this is where we see our calendar view. Every service type has got a different color. So we've got our blue for car rental, purple for accommodations, and then we can see that the shade of purple changes as we go from one accommodation to the next. So we've got Sweet Lemon Guest House over here. Then they've got a departure from Sweet Lemon. They've got the car rental, and then they're going to Malchas Hotel. Their car rental, we can then see, follows them all the way through their booking. Malchas, they stay for 2 nights. They then leave Malchas on the 4th of May, and they go to Garden Route Game Lodge, and so on and so forth. If I want to add or remove a service, it's really simple. I can click on the open space, and I can choose what type of service I want. For instance, if I want to add maybe an excursion, and then I can say, see what we've got here. Cape Town culinary tours. If we've got any pictures of the service itself, those are going to be loaded over here. If there's anything else that's needing to be loaded, that's where we've got our supplier portal, which I'd like to go into. And then we can see a list of any services they've got available, email addresses, contact numbers, all of that. Then we've got down the side here, we've got our legacy booking. So that pulls through from our older database, which the guys have linked up. So that actually does a sync every day. Then our supplier portal is where we'll go and load a new supplier from scratch. And then we've got everything where we can go and load our rates. We can go and add a package or create a new package. It looks like my time's run out.